Hello all, good morning. This is Raj Informatica. Today is our IICS Batch 2 morning session 1. So I hope everyone able to hear me. So before going to the training, so please subscribe my channel in YouTube. So that is Raj Informatica Real-Time Online Training. So please subscribe my channel and also like my videos. There are many IICS Powercenter videos available. There are many useful videos available in my channel. So please subscribe, like and comment. So let's start today's session. So today is our IICS Batch 2. Today is our IICS Batch 2 Session 1 morning session. So I welcome all you people. I hope everyone doing well. So if everyone are able to hear me, then we'll start the session. Shall we start the session? Are you able to hear me, everyone? Yes? Okay. So today we are discussing about IICS. So what is IICS? And what are the things available in IICS? What is Informatica? So all these things we'll discuss now. So coming to the Informatica, Informatica is a ETL tool. As everyone knows, Informatica is a ETL tool. So this you all knows, correct? Informatica is an ETL tool. But in Informatica, there are many tools available. Under Informatica, Informatica is a product-based company. It's a data integration company. You know, correct? So you can reply in the chat, please. So whenever I ask the question, you please reply in the chat. So Informatica is a data integration company. We will call data integration company. So in Informatica, we have several tools like Informatica Powercenter, the Informatica IICS. Nowadays, Informatica IICS is calling as IDMC. The new name of Informatica IICS is IDMC, Intelligent Data Management Cloud. So IICS is renamed as IDMC. They have given a new name. They have given a new name for IICS as IDMC. We have Informatica MDM. We have Informatica IDQ. So this IDQ also changed as CDQ. Okay, CDQ Cloud Data Quality. Informatica 360. There is one more. Informatica 360. Informatica ILM. Okay. So there are many things available. There are many tools available in Informatica, correct? Yes, please. Yes, guys. Everyone. Yeah. So these are the tools available in Informatica. So, but we know about Informatica Powercenter. We know about Informatica Powercenter. It is an ETL tool. So when we have already Powercenter, why we will use IICS or IDMC? IICS means what? Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. This is renamed as, they have given a new name for IICS called IDMC, Intelligent Data Management Cloud. This will be worked with AI, artificial intelligence. This IDMC, IICS was not working with AI, but IDMC, whatever they given new name, and they included many more services in IDMC. So they given a new name called Intelligent Data Management Cloud. Yes, everyone clear? So the Informatica Cloud. So we will call Informatica Cloud as IICS. Till 2 months back, they were calling as IICS, but now, from now, they are calling as IDMC. So you should use a word called IDMC from now, not IICS. But while you are searching the jobs, it will be IICS only, but they given a new name called IDMC, Intelligent Data Management Cloud. Okay, with artificial intelligence enabled. Okay, fine. Now, which one we should use? Informatica Powercenter or IDMC? What is the difference between these two? Why we need two? We have already Powercenter, which will extract the data from source, transform the data, and load the data, correct? Yes, please. We already having a Powercenter. Everyone, please reply. You know everyone about Powercenter? Everyone knows Powercenter here in our training? Yes? Yeah. So you know Powercenter, then what is the use of Informatica Cloud? What is the need of it? Or what is the need of IDMC or IICS? Why we need? That is the main thing you need to understand first. Before we are learning Informatica Cloud or IDMC, we should understand what is the use of Informatica Cloud. Okay. Now, to work with Informatica Powercenter, we need to install what and all we need to install. Suppose if I want to work with Informatica Powercenter, what you want to install? You should install a database first, correct? You should install a database first if you want to work with Powercenter, correct? Either Oracle. Before you install Informatica, you should install Oracle or SQL Server or Teradata, whatever the database. Yes, please, because the repository and domains, the repositories and domains will be, the repository tables and domain Informatica tables will be saved under this database, correct? Yes or no, please? We will create first infodemo, inforepo. Before we install Informatica, we will create these schemas first. If you remember, yes, please. Correct, guys? So if you want to install Informatica Powercenter, there must be a database. Without database, you cannot work on Powercenter. For sure, there should be one database. For sure, there should be one database required. Okay. For sure, there should be one database required to install Informatica, correct? Yes, please. 1 second, please wait. Let me clear this. Just wait, please. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So we need to install database first. Then again, we need to install Informatica server, correct? We need to install Informatica server if you want to install Informatica Powercenter, if you want to work on Powercenter, correct? And then you should install Informatica client. Informatica client. So we require these many things to install Informatica Powercenter. But if you want to work with cloud, what is cloud means? So people are saying cloud technologies. What is cloud means? Anybody? So what they will do in cloud? Maybe you have some doubt on that. So what is the cloud means? When people are calling us cloud, what is cloud means? Anybody? What is cloud means? So cloud means you can access from anywhere. You can access from anywhere. Suppose, for example, okay. So this is laptop 1. This is laptop 2. Okay. Yes, please. For example, let's say this is laptop 1. You have 2 laptops. Yes, please. You have 2 laptops. Laptop 1, laptop 2. Correct? Yes, please. Here you have installed Informatica server. In this laptop 1, you install Informatica server. And you install Informatica client. I have done some 10 mappings in this. You have created a folder and you have done 10 mappings in this. Okay. Can you see these 10 mappings in laptop 2? Powercenter. I am saying Informatica Powercenter. Can you see without installing Informatica Power server and client? Can you see these 10 mappings in your laptop too? No, you cannot. Yes, please. What you can do, you can install a client here and you can connect it to this server and you can see the mappings. But you need to install at least Informatica client here, correct? At least you need to install Informatica client here. You can connect to this server. Laptop 1 server, you connect. You can connect from laptop too. But Informatica client, at least you should install and connect to this server and you can see. But coming to the cloud, what is cloud means? Cloud means what? You can access the whatever you developed. You can access from anywhere. Suppose there is a cloud technology. What are cloud technologies? Azure, AWS, Snowflake, IICS, okay, GCP. These are all cloud technologies, correct? Google Cloud Platform, Azure, okay, AWS, Amazon Web Services, okay. Then what else we have? Snowflake. These are all cloud technologies, correct? Yes or no, please? Are these cloud technologies? Yes, guys. Yes, these are all cloud technologies. So suppose you created a program here. For example, you created one program here. Okay, the same program can be accessed in your mobile also. The same program can be accessible through your mobile also. So you can access from anywhere. If you have 10 laptops, if you did something in one laptop, you can access that one. You can see those in 10 laptops. That is called cloud means. Understanding? Everyone, what is cloud means? Cloud means access from anywhere. There is nothing big thing here. So cloud means access from anywhere. These cloud technologies, we will work on Google Chrome. We will not install anything. Suppose you want to work with Salesforce or Snowflake. You no need to install anything. You directly open Google Chrome. Okay, and you can there will be a URL. Log into the URL, and you can work with it. The same URL you can use anywhere. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? So installation is not required. My intention here is for cloud, and this is called on-premise. What is this called? On-premise tools. On-premise. On-premise means what? On-premise means, so this will be installed in one system that cannot be accessed to another system. Correct? Yes, please. Everyone, understanding? Guys, understanding, everyone? So this is called on-premise tools. What are these called? On-premise tools means like which are not using any cloud. Now our Informatica Powercenter is a on-premise tool. Informatica Powercenter is an on-premise tool. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Clear about it? Yes, please. So this is called Informatica on-premise. This is called Informatica on-premise tool. Yes, please. So now they are moving this to what? Cloud. They are moving Informatica Powercenter to cloud. Now cloud, Informatica Cloud or IICS or IDMC, we can call it as IICS or IDMC. Yes, please. Informatica IDMC or IICS will call as what? Cloud-based technology. It's a cloud-based technology. This IICS IDMC is a cloud-based technology. We no need to install. There is only a small thing called Secure Agent. But if you don't install Secure Agent also, you can see all these, what? You can see all these mappings. Suppose you have developed 10 mappings here. You developed by using Google Chrome. You developed 10 mappings. Yes, please. These 10 mappings can be accessible in your laptop too also. Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. These 10 mappings can be available in laptop too also. Are you clear, please? What is cloud tool means? Did you understand what is cloud means? Everyone, please. Guys, please respond. Please reply in chat. Did you understand what is cloud means? So now what else? What are the other differences of Informatica Powercenter and IICS? What are the other differences? So these are the few key differences I have given here. Few key differences with Powercenter and IICS I have given here. What are the key differences? The user interface. User interface is you need to install. Powercenter look like this, correct? So you need to, if you want to open Informatica, first you need to install Informatica Powercenter client and you need to install Informatica Powercenter client and server. Then you need to open it. The UI, if you want to open, if you want to access any mappings or anything, you need to install Informatica Powercenter and then you need to open it. So this is a user interface. But when you come into the cloud, if you see, so if I'll just log in through the user ID password, I'll just log in through user ID password. See, I'm logging in here. I will just log in here. Okay. So in Google Chrome, we will log in. You don't need to install anything, but you need to install one secure agent, small thing. What is secure agent? We'll see later. Okay. But as of now, what? Without installing anything, you can see your mappings at least. Maybe you cannot run, but you can see your mappings. Understood? Are you clear, please? So this is a UI in user interface for IICS. See, I'll show you. Okay, you see, please. This is IICS. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone. So this is the user interface of IICS, but this is the user interface of Informatica Powercenter. That is the main thing. Yes, please. So IICS is better user interface than it's a browser based. So whatever you will do everything in Google Chrome. Whatever you do, you will do everything from Google Chrome. So that is IICS. Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? So what is the difference between IICS and Powercenter? So this is a major difference. So cloud-based tools will not use any kind of installation, but there will be a small installation is required here also. Okay. So when IICS is invented, so when I was in 2000, see, if I come to the IICS, if I want to tell about IICS, just 1 second, please. Just a second. 1 minute, please. Yeah. Okay. So if you come to the IICS versions, first, so when I was in 2011, when I was in 2013, not 11, 2013, I worked on ICS. If I come to the versions of IICS, okay, first they have invented ICS, Informatica Cloud Services. Informatica Cloud Services. So I worked on ICS in 2013. So 10 years back, I worked in one of the project in HCL. When I was working in HCL, I worked on ICS, Informatica Cloud Services. First, they have implemented this. At the time, there were no many transformations in this. Later, after 5 years, maybe in 2016 or 17, they have invented IICS. Okay, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. Yes, please. Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. Understanding, everyone? So first they have implemented Informatica Cloud Services. Later they have implemented Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. Everyone, are you clear, please? Now in 2013, they renamed it as IDMC. In 2013, they renamed it as IDMC. Everyone, are you clear, please? So in 2013 only, I worked on ICS. Okay, in 2013. So maybe 2011 or 12, they implemented ICS. So later they given many services. They implemented many things in IICS and they have given a name called IICS. And then now in 2023, they have given a name called IDMC. They have given a name called IDMC. Everyone, are you clear, please? Clear about it? What is IICS? What is Informatica Powercenter? What is IDMC? What is IICS? Did you understand clearly? Everyone, are you clear, please? Yes, please. So, for example, I'm not telling exactly when it is implemented, but approximately in 2011, I guess. This is approximately in 2015. IDMC is this year only, for sure, 2020. IDMC means Informatica intelligent data management cloud with artificial intelligence. Understood, everyone? Clear about it? Now let's go to the other difference. Same installation maintenance. So Powercenter requires most installation and also maintenance. Maintenance also required. So repositories, services you need to maintain, integration services you need to maintain, repositories you need to maintain, data you need to maintain. It is difficult to maintain in Powercenter, but IICS, it is very easy. Without a database, you can install. You can work with IICS. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Yeah. So that's about it. Next, cost. Coming to the cost, IICS is cost effective. Powercenter maybe Powercenter license is costlier than IICS license. Powercenter license is costlier than IICS license. Now, coming to the connectivity. Normally, on-premise tools will work with on-premise databases. See, there will be two things here you need to understand mainly. What are on-premise databases? What are cloud databases? So on-premise databases and cloud databases. Can you tell me what are on-premise databases which require installation? What are the databases which requires installation? On-premise databases. What are on-premise databases? Oracle, SQL Server, MS SQL Server, MySQL. Yes, please. Yeah, Teradata, Greenplum. Okay. DB2. These are all on-premise databases. But what about the cloud-based databases? What about cloud-based databases? Cloud-based databases. Cloud-based databases are these six. Just see. Snowflake. Oracle also is there. Oracle Cloud also we have. We have Oracle Cloud also. Okay, yes, please. We have Azure, Microsoft SQL Server is from Microsoft, same way Azure. And we have Snowflake. Okay. And we have GCP, Google Cloud Platform, BigQuery. We'll call it as BigQuery. Yes, please. BigQuery. We have AWS, Amazon Web Services. We have Salesforce. This is also a major cloud-based tool, cloud-based database. Which one? Salesforce. Okay. And MongoDB, Cassandra, there are many things. Yes, please. So these are on-premise databases which requires installation. Server and client installation is required, correct? For this, yes or no, please? This, if you want to install on-premise databases, we need to install server and client. But here there is no server, there is no client. Okay, separate server and client installations are not required when you work with cloud databases. When you work with cloud databases, directly in Google Chrome, you can directly work with Google Chrome. Are you clear, please? So now, this on-premise databases can be easily connected to on-premise ETL tools. Now, on-premise ETL tools. What are on-premise ETL tools? On-premise ETL tools now. What are on-premise ETL tools? On-premise ETL tools are Powercenter, Informatica Powercenter, Data Stage, okay, Talent, Data Stage, Talent, Ab initio, okay, SSIS. Yes, please. So these are on-premise ETL tools. These will be easily connected to these things. These will be easily connected to these databases. Yes, please. So from Powercenter, you can easily connect it with Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata, Greenplum, DB2. But also we can connect, it is very difficult on-premise from Powercenter to cloud databases. It is very difficult to connect. But when you come into cloud-based ETL tools, when you talk about cloud-based ETL tools, what are cloud-based ETL tools? Cloud-based ETL tools, what are those? IICS, Snowflake is a cloud-based ETL tool. Yes, please. Azure is a cloud-based ETL tool also. We have in Azure cloud-based ETL tool. Yes, please. So these can be easily connected to cloud databases. These can be easily connected to cloud databases. Understood? Connectivity will be more simpler. Connectivity will be more simpler than Powers on-premise tools to cloud-based ETLs. Understood, please, everyone? Snowflake is a database and also ETL. Snowflake is an ETL tool, is a cloud ETL database, I can say. Snowflake is a cloud ETL database. Yes, please, understood? So that's the second difference. That is the second difference. Now, third difference, third, fourth, or five, data integration features. There will be more features, there will be more integration features than Powercenter to IICS. In IICS, in Powercenter, the API application integration service will be only less services. Less services are available, API services. But here, there are more API services and there are more CDQ services available in IICS. There are more services available in IICS comparing to Powercenter. Integration capabilities. Maybe Powercenter will work with huge volumes, but IICS will work with cloud-based data volumes. API means application integration. Application integration. That we'll see, anyways. That we'll see later. API means application integration. Understood? Are you clear, please? So this is the difference between. These are the major difference between Informatica Powercenter and IICS or IDMC. Informatica Powercenter and IDMC. These are the major differences. Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Understood the differences between IICS and IDMC? Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Did you understand the difference between Powercenter and IDMC? Now, coming to the scope. Now coming to the scope of. So how are the jobs in IICS? When you come to the IICS or IDMC, so explain regarding the volume and data difference. See, the volume may be Informatica Powercenter will work with large and complex data, but only from on-premise tools, on-premise databases. But IDMC or IICS will work with same thing, whatever we can do here. On the other hand, we can use cloud-based data also. It will work with cloud-based, but it will be less work with cloud databases. IDMC, IICS, both are same. IDMC is another new name of IICS. In IICS, we have less services. They have included few more services in IDMC and they have renamed IICS as IDMC. So IDMC is a new name of IICS. Are you clear? IDMC is a new name of IICS. Does IDMC support on-premise? Yes. Both it will support. IICS will support both easily. This can be, IICS can be easily work with cloud, on-premise and also cloud, both. Okay, cloud-based ETL tools, they can easily connect with on-premise databases and also cloud databases. But on-premise ETL tools will majorly work on on-premise database only, but not cloud databases. Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone, getting my point? Did you understand? Clear about it? Are you clear, please? So this is about now. Now, coming to the few questions, you may have some questions about IICS or IDMC. What is the scope of IDMC? Future scope of IDMC. What is the future scope of IDMC? So now Informatica has become billion-dollar company. Okay. So in future, major ETLs will be done with Informatica IDMC only. The major things, the major things in future, the whole ETL tools will convert it to IDMC. Data stage, they will migrate their workflows to, they will convert their jobs to IDMC. All ETL tools will slowly converting into IDMC because no other ETL tool is having cloud. Data stage, they don't have any cloud. Talent, they don't have any cloud. Abhinisho, they don't have any cloud. So they are slowly moving into IDMC. So there is a vast, that means there is a large scope. There is a bright scope in Informatica IDMC for future. Understood? How are the job opportunities on IDMC? See, nowadays people are taking who knows Informatica Powercenter plus IDMC, both. The companies are looking who is having experience on Powercenter and IDMC, both. Understood? Everyone? If you know both, you can easily get a job. Clear about it? Everyone, are you clear? So number one, what is the future scope? Very good. Okay. Number two, how are the jobs in Informatica? So if you know both, you will be having more jobs available, more openings, and good packages. Clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Yes, please. Good packages. You will get good packages also. Yes, please. Next. IDMC is easy or difficult? IDMC is easy or difficult? So IDMC is an extension of Powercenter. Yes, please. IDMC is an extension of Powercenter. So if you know Powercenter, it is IDMC or IICS is very easy. IDMC is very easy. Understood? If you know Informatica Powercenter, IDMC is very easy. Are you clear? Everyone? Clear about it? But if you don't know Powercenter, it will be difficult for sure. Again, it is a non-coding. IDMC is having coding. Is IDMC is having coding? No. No, there is no coding. It is a non-coding tool again, like Powercenter. Are you clear, please? IDMC is a non-coding tool. Are you clear, please? Please respond. Everyone, are you clear? Understanding what I'm saying? Now, certifications. Coming to the certifications. Certifications in IDMC. See, if you want to work in India, not required any certification. No need to do any certification. No need to do any certification. If you want to work on India. But if you attend my training, you can easily crack certification also. I will tell end-to-end IICS or IDMC training. End-to-end. All concepts I will cover. Almost all concepts I will cover. Clear? Understood? Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? Understanding? End-to-end IICS. Certification not required any if you are in India. Okay? Nobody will ask you certification. But if you are interested, you can do the certification. Certification cost, there will be some dollars. It will be sure in dollars. But as of now, I recommend you not required any certification. Yes, please. Clear about it? Are you clear? So this is any other doubts? PC to migration projects, we complete PC, then we can jobs with PC. Completed items, we can search. No, don't search now with PC. Complete IICS, search with both. Complete IICS and search with both. Search, include in your resume, Powercenter and IICS both. Then you search. Don't search simply on Powercenter. Okay? Learn both, then search. If you don't know Powercenter, first learn Powercenter. Does Informatica maintain its own cloud database? Correct. Yes. Informatica maintains its own cloud. Informatica is having its own cloud. On cloud only this IICS is prepared. Yes, please. So whatever the metadata of IICS will be stored under Informatica cloud. If you don't know Powercenter, you must know Powercenter first. Then you need to learn IICS. I'll give course completion certificate, but it is not a course completion certificate, but this is about other certification. Migration process, I will try to explain the migration process. Okay, but that is a licensor version required. If you want to do from Powercenter to IICS migration, it requires a license. Without license, you cannot do in a free tool. I will try to get one session. How to migrate from Powercenter to IICS. Okay. This is Informatica IDMC developer, not admin. This is Informatica IICS or IDMC developer training. IICS developer training. Yes, please. It is not admin training. It is a Informatica IICS or IDMC developer training. Everyone, are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Clear about it? So that is about IDMC or IICS. Okay, fine. Now, let's go into the IICS now. In IICS, what we have? In IICS, what we have? Okay. IICS is divided into, if you see here, this is our Informatica Cloud Intelligent IDMC. This is our IDMC. In IDMC, we have data catalog, data integration, application integration, data quality, MDM, okay, and customer 360, data preparation, data marketing, data governance. There are many things are there. So in IDMC, there are many services available. But which one we want to learn mostly? Which one we need to learn? We need to learn two things in IDMC. We need to learn two things in IDMC. IDMC is having many tools available. IDMC is having many services available. But here we require two things. We require two things. Okay, that is, we require two things. That is what? CDI and CAI. CDI and CAI. Yes, please. CDI is cloud data integration. CAI is cloud application integration. CDI is cloud data integration. CAI is cloud application integration. These two are required if you want to get a job in IICS or IDMC. Yes, please. So these are the two tools available in IICS or IDMC. Now, in my training, what and all I will tell. In my training, I will cover IDMC, CDI, end-to-end training, IDMC, CAI, end-to-end training later. Okay. Almost 60 plus mappings with mapping documents, with real-time mapping documents. 60 plus mappings with real-time mapping documents will be covered in this training. And complex project for CDI and CAI. Complex project will be implemented. If you implement this project, you can easily survive in your office. Complex project of CDI and CAI. Interview questions I will provide. Complete interview questions of Powercenter, CDI and CAI. Complete interview questions of CDI, CAI and also Powercenter. Yes, please. Then I will prepare a resume for it. And there will be a job assistance. There will be a job assistance. Job assistance means how to apply for the jobs, where to apply for the jobs, how to crack the interview, how to easily answer in the interview. I will cover all this in our trainings. Understood? Are you clear, please? Yes, project explanation also. End-to-end means complete concepts, all transformations in IDMC I will cover. All concepts in data integration I will cover. Yes, please. So, and the complex project explanation with explanation. Complex project with explanation and implementation. Complex project explanation and implementation. and implementation for CDI and CI. Yes, please. Job support is not required. If you join my training and practice my training, job support is not required at all. There are many people who learn from my training. They are all working successfully. They are all working successfully without job support. Yes, please. It will be a 45 days course. It will be a 45 days course, 70 plus hours. Daily 2 hours. Daily 2 hours, morning and evening. Morning 9:30 to 11:30. Morning 9:30 to 11:30. Evening 7:30 to 9:30. Evening 7:30 to 9:30. So whatever I tell in morning, the same thing I will repeat it in evening. Whatever I will tell on morning, the same thing I will be repeated on evening. If you miss morning session, you can join in evening session. Suppose 1 week you are in morning shift, then you can join in evening shift. 2 days you can join evening, 2 days you can join morning. It's your wish. It's purely flexible. Either you can join morning or evening. Yes, please. After completion of the IDMC only, we need to search for the jobs. Correct. Because they are looking for Powercenter and IDMC both. Understood, everyone? So you can join either morning or evening. Control M, yes. I'll explain about Control M also. I'll give a video about Control M. Weekends, Monday to Saturday. Sunday will be holiday. Monday to Saturday sessions will be there. So first 2 weeks alternative sessions. Next 3rd week onwards, daily classes Monday to Saturday. Sunday will be holiday. Are you clear, please? Everyone clear about these things? Clear about the timings? These are about the timings. Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Yes, please. Done. Now, coming to if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So if you want to join my training, you can please WhatsApp 8105-296858. If you want the course fees or if you want anything else, you please WhatsApp on 8105-296858. My team will help you. My team will help you. Yes, please. Timings morning 9:30 to 11:30. Evening 7:30 to 9:30. You can join any session, either morning session or evening session. Yes, please. Either morning session or evening session, any session you can join. There is no problem at all. Yes, please. If you miss morning, you can join evening. Suppose tomorrow evening you have some work, then you can join tomorrow morning session. It's your wish. If you wanted more details about my training, please WhatsApp to 8105-296858. So my team will help you. Yes, please. Okay. Clear about it? There are very good calls for Powercenter and IICS both. If you know both, there are very good calls. If you know both, there are very good calls. Yes, please. Clear for any information? For any information, please. It's completely online. It's completely online. Yes, please. There is no offline course. It's completely online. Okay. If you need any more information, please WhatsApp to 8105-296858. If you don't know Powercenter, then you have to join Powercenter. Then you have to join Powercenter training first. Okay, then you have to join IICS. Without Powercenter, don't join IICS anywhere. It's waste of time. It's waste of time. Okay, now next. Installation. Next coming to installation. See, without installing anything, you can work with IICS. That means you can create a mapping. But to run, we require secure agent. Yes, we have practice groups. So you can join in practice groups and you can work with people. Okay. Now coming to the secure agent. You need to install, actually, same in IICS also. In my training, I will cover Snowflake, Salesforce, Azure. Okay. Say Snowflake, Salesforce, Azure. Then what else? Then GCP. Okay. And one more. AWS. Okay. AWS. So these things, Snowflake, Salesforce, Azure, GCP, AWS, basics will be covered. Basics. How to create the trial accounts, how to connect with AWS or GCP, Azure, we will cover. Okay. Now, same like now to work with IICS. As of now, we'll go for Powercenter. As of now, we'll go for Oracle only. So this is IICS, for example. This is IDMC. So we require Oracle. Here also we'll install Oracle first. Later, once we are familiar with Oracle, then we'll go for SQL Server also. Both will work. Oracle SQL Server. Then, yes, please. Then we'll go for Snowflake. We'll go for Snowflake. Then we'll go for AWS, all those things. Yes, please. Understanding? So first, now what you want to do? You go to my YouTube video. See. Now coming to the installation piece. I am telling about the installation. If you already installed Oracle in your system, you no need to install again. Don't install again Oracle, okay? Don't install Oracle again. Understood? If you already installed Oracle in your system, don't install Oracle again. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Are you clear? Then go to my YouTube video. Go to YouTube. Just search with Raj Informatica. Go to YouTube. Search with Raj Informatica. So when you search with Raj Informatica, yes, please. Then my Raj Informatica real-time hands-on job-based training. This is my YouTube channel. Go to videos, and if you scroll down, I have given secure agent installation, IICS secure agent installation, Informatica Cloud IICS secure agent installation. Yes, please. So open this video, or you can write it IICS secure agent installation by Raj Informatica. By Raj Informatica. You can search in YouTube. When you search on YouTube, you will get this video. There are two videos, Informatica Cloud IICS Secure Agent and Oracle 11G. If you don't have Oracle 11G installation, you use this link. If you have already Oracle 11G, go to this link. Okay. So if you already installed Oracle in your system, don't install Oracle again. Install Secure Agent. Install IICS or IDMC Secure Agent. IDMC Secure Agent. Install IICS or IDMC Secure Agent. Yes, please. So I'll send these two videos to you. If you already installed Oracle, then go this. If you don't have Secure Agent, though, then go through this. Okay. So I have clearly explained how to create a trial account. In this video, I clearly explained how to create a trial account. I'll give the trial account link also to you. In the description, I will give the trial account link. You can go through the description. I given the trial account link. First, you need to create IICS trial account. First, what you need to do? IICS trial account. IICS or IDMC trial account. This will be 30 days. You will be having 30 days access. After 30 days, you can create one more trial account with new Gmail ID. Yes, please. So step-by-step installation steps I given in this. If you already installed Oracle, go through this. If you don't install Oracle, go through this. Install Oracle and IICS both. Okay. Then install Secure Agent. Yes, please. Okay. So your laptop, maybe any processor requirement, system requirement of IDMC. The system requirement will be minimum 6 GB is better. 6 GB or 8 GB RAM minimum. Okay. And at least 100 GB. Make sure at least 50 GB at least. Make sure at least 50 GB available space. 50 or 100 GB available space. 50 or 100 GB available space. If you already agent installed, then I have given one more video here. In my channel, there is one more video. What to do if you installed already? What to do if you installed already trial account? how to re-register. That is also there. 50 GB 100 or 100 GB available space in your system. Any processor is fine, but not for Apple laptops, not for Apple laptops, only Windows laptops. Secure agent will be worked in only Windows laptops, please. No Mac or Apple. Okay? Yes, please. Clear? The system requirements clear? For existing trial account, 30 days it will be there. You can work with that only. Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Clear about it? Yes, please. Yes, first learn first. Then you can try. Okay. Now, first what we need to do now? Okay. First what we need to do today. After today's session, what we need to do? First, create source and target schemas in Oracle. First, create source and target schema in Oracle. What you need to do? You need to create source and target schema in Oracle. In real time, companies are using Windows or Linux. Both they are using. They are using Windows. Few people are using Windows. Few people are using Linux. We'll see that later. Create source and target schema in Oracle. So open Oracle. You know, everybody knows how to create a schema. Everybody knows how to create a schema, correct? Yes? Yeah. So go to Oracle and create, go to Sysschema. Go to Sysschema. Okay. Yes, please. In my YouTube video description, IICS file account link is there. You can see that. Okay. In the Sysschema, what you can do? You can create a schema. Create user. Okay. Just a second. One minute, please. Just wait. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Just I'm giving a name, OTSRC Dev2, identified by admin. My schema name is OTSRC Dev2. Grant all privileges to OTSRC Dev2. Grant DBA to OTSRC Dev2. Yes, please. So just create this schema first. I created this schema. So I have got some error. Did I get some error? Just a second. It's already there, it seems. Just wait. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Let me do this. Okay. I don't require this. Okay, now create it. Still it is giving error. Just wait. Okay, let's create any other. Let's see. Wait. Okay, I given OTSRC Dev3. Fine. Name is okay. Name you can give anything. And grant. Okay, table space error. Normally, if you do it, it will come. But for me, it is giving table space error. Just wait. Let me rectify this. Just give me a second. Let me rectify this. But you don't need to do this. I'll do this. Just wait. You don't need to do this. Just a second, please. Okay. So let me connect it. One minute. It's altered, still it is showing some error. Let me see whether I can able to create the table or not. So just what you do, leave about it. Just create your user, create user OTSRC Dev 3, identify admin, grant all privileges to OTSRC Dev 3, grant DBA, it will work in your system. My system is having some problem. That's why it is giving that error. So once you give this, just click on plus. Yes, please. Username and password is admin. Whatever the password you give here, this and all we know already. Yes, please. So there are some privileges issues here. There are some privileges issues. I'm not sure why. Let me close and open again. Just a second, please. So there is a problem with Oracle in my system. So maybe I need to uninstall and install. Let me see now. Otherwise, we'll use the same whichever we have. Okay. Let me try now while doing it. Otherwise, we'll use the same whichever we have. Okay. Let me do this. Okay, it is giving some error. Leave it. What you do is, let's take OTSRC Dev 1. So what you do, just create like this. Okay, create user OTSRC Dev 1 in your system. Do like this. Identified by admin. Yes, please. So this is the one you need to give. Then grant all privileges to OTSRC Dev 1. So we'll use OTSRC Dev 1 only. That's not a problem. Grant all privileges to and grant DBA to OTSRC Dev 1. So you create it. Once you create, add it. So what you need to do? OTSRC Dev 1. So the same thing you have to give here. Yes, please. And the password is admin. Save. Test connect. So once you connected, source, this is my source. This is my source schema. So in the source schema, what you have to do? In the today's material, so go to my today's material. So this is today's material. Yes, please. So Batch-02 IDMC today's material. Open this Oracle tables and data. Open the schema DDL. You might have all this. If you are my student, you have all these tables. If you are my student, Powercenter student, you have all these tables, correct? If you don't have it, take this first create table statements and put it in OTSRC Dev 1, execute it. When you execute, it will create the tables. If you are my student, no need to do this because I already given to them this one. They have already the data. They have already this data. And once you run the first one, Say, take the second one and execute it. And execute here. So it will give some good tables data. Yes, please. So you have to do this. And create one more schema, target schema. How to create? Same thing. Create a target schema. Create user OTTGT dev1. OTTGT dev1. OTTGT dev1 identified by admin. Grant all privileges. Give it. Once you execute and connect it, it will connect. So you have two schemas. OTSRC dev1, OTTGT dev1. In OTSRC dev1, we have many tables. We have many tables. These tables we have. It's not many. So there are 10 tables will come. When you execute this file, 10 tables will come in your system. Okay. Are you clear, please? If you are my student, you have already this. Yes. Do you have it? Everyone, do you have it, please? Yeah. Okay. Now what to do next? Now I have a mapping document. Today we'll do one mapping. Today we'll do one sample mapping. We'll do one mapping first. For that I have a mapping document. In OTSRC dev1, yes please. In OTSRC, in target, we need to create a target table. In target schema, we need to create a target table. I'll explain, just wait. So what I'm saying, in real time, you will get this kind of a mapping document. By seeing this mapping document, you have to do the mapping. What is this? In IICS, I am saying about IICS. So here, what we have? We have a source, we have a target. Source table name is locations. We have 6 columns. We have 6 columns in target. So locations table, if you check in source, go to source, right, select star from locations. How many records we have in locations table? We have 23 records. On target, we need to create a target table. Yes, please. We need to create a target table called TG location table. How to create a target table? You can write a create table statement. Create table, TG location dim. Here, take this, whatever I given. Yes, please. And you give it here like this. Correct? Yes, please. And execute it. Okay. So in target schema, correct? Execute in target schema. Just a second. I'm executing source schema. Execute in target schema. Execute in target schema. Over to TG dev1. Here, execute this. Yes, please. Yeah, created. How many records are there now? How many records are there? 0 records, correct? I have 0 records. So in my source, there are 23 records, but in my target, 0 records. I want to extract the data from locations and load it to target. While loading, I need to give a condition, location ID is greater than 5 and location ID is less than 5, correct? Yes, please. That is what we have done. In Powercenter, what I will do normally? If I want to do in Powercenter, what to do? He will import the source, he will import the target, he will create a filter, and he will give the condition, he will create a session, he will create a workflow and run it. That is what we do in Powercenter, correct? Yes, guys. You know everything. You know about how to do in Powercenter. Please reply, everyone. Everyone, please reply. You know how to do this mapping in Powercenter. But how to do in IICS, we'll see now. In IICS, first, you need to log in by using this URL. Which URL? This one. Take this URL. Open Chrome in incognito mode. Open Google Chrome in incognito mode always. Because if the history is saved, then Informatica will be slow. So open Google Chrome and go to 3 dots, new incognito mode. Open incognito mode. Open incognito mode. Here, paste this URL. While you are creating Informatica trial account, you might have given user ID password. You might have given user ID password. So my user ID is rajinformatica.iics@gmail.com. Your Gmail ID is your username. You can give any username, but I given my Gmail ID as my username. And you give the password whichever you have given while you are running, while you are creating a trial account, whatever the password you given, you give it and log in. When you log in, Informatica IICS or IDMC will log in. Now see, there are many services available here. API Manager, API Portal, Application Integration Console, Data Integration, Data Profiling, Data Quality, Administrator, Monitor, Operation Insights. Now first we are learning CDI today. As I told you, there are two parts, correct? We are learning today IDMC CDI. IDMC CDI. I'll give a link. I will give a link. If you create a trial account with that link, you will get all these services. I will give one link. A new link is there. I will send in the group. If you create a trial account with that link, you will get all these services. You will get all these services. Okay, I'll give that link. So just wait. So now what you have to do? Today we are discussing IDMC or IICS CDI, Cloud Data Integration. Cloud Data Integration. Okay, in that we are learning first mapping about filter transformation. About filter transformation. So to work with CDI, what services we require? What services we require for CDI? As I told you, there are two things: CDI, CI. Okay, there are two things. One is CDI and CI. To work with CDI, this is IDMC CDI or IICS CDI. CDI and IICS CI. IICS or IDMC CAI, Cloud Application Integration. To work with this, we require what services? We require first administrator. Administrator we require. Next we require data integration. We require data integration service. For these two is for CDI. For CAI, we require administrator again. We require data integration also. We will use in API data integration also. Apart from that, we have application integration console. Application integration console. Then we require API manager. We require API portal. We require application integration. Next is application integration. And monitor at last. Monitor. Here also we require monitor. Here also we require monitor. These are the services we need. Data profiling is a separate one. Data quality is for CDQ. Data profiling is for data profiling. Okay, now we need to use these three things: administrator, data integration, monitor. So when you log in incognito mode, what you can do? You can right click on administrator. Where is administrator? Right click, open link in new tab. Data integration, open link, open new tab. Monitor, right click, open link in new tab. Now when you come to the data integration, it looks like this. First one, administrator. This is administrator. Administrator window will open. It will take some time because it is cloud. It will take some time. So this is Informatica administrator. This is data integration. Informatica data integration. Data integration. This is Informatica monitor. In the administrator, you can see what is your organization name, what is the address, okay, and how many days all these things. What is your, so you can change your time zone here. Your time zone you can change here to India specific time zone. You can change your time zone here, Indian Standard Time. Okay. So first thing what you do, come to organization, come to administrator, organization, change your time zone. Change your time zone. Okay. Understood? Are you clear, please? Yes, please. Then save. Save. Done. I save. Next, coming to the licenses. If you come to licenses, this trial account I created yesterday. I created on October 26th. It will be enabled till November 25th. It will be applicable till November 25th. After November 25th, it will not applicable. And these are the features available in my trial account. In my trial account, these are the features available. Yes, please. These are the licenses or features available. That is about one thing. Now, if you see the cloud data integration, this is data integration window. This is monitor window. First, what we have a source table in OT-SRC Dev1. We have a target table in OT Digital Dev1, correct? We need to extract the data from locations. What we need to do? We need to load to the data to OT Digital Dev1. In Powercenter, what you do normally? In Powercenter, what you will do? Normally, what you will do in Powercenter? You will create the ODBC connections first, correct? In Powercenter, you will create ODBC connections first, correct? Yes, please. Yeah. Same way, here we need to create connectors, Oracle connectors. What is our database here? These schemas are in which database? These schemas are in which database? Oracle database. So you need to create two connectors now, source connector, target connector, connections. Two connections or connectors we will call. Where you should create connections, go to connections. Are you seeing connections? Are you seeing connections, please? In the left side, before going to connections, you need to check one thing. Go to runtime environment. In the runtime environment, you can click on this laptop and click on this laptop ML. And here you need to check the services. To work with CDI, at least these two services should be up. Go open administrator, come to runtime environment, click on runtime environment, click on this laptop, and here at least these two will be enabled. Data integration service up and running, common integration components up and running. These two should be up and running. These two, if they are not running, that's not a problem. But these two should be up and running. Are you clear, please? Understood? If they are not up and running, you cannot do anything. If they are up and running, come to connections. Come to connections. I don't have any connections. Create new connection. Now we are creating source connection. What we are doing? We are creating a source connection. Yes, please. Everyone, are you clear? We are creating a source connection. So to create the source connection, give a name, CONN underscore OT-SRC Dev1. This is my source connection name. Type is what? Your database. You can see many types: flat file, FTP, Google Cloud, JDBC, okay, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, many things are there. Here you select Oracle because my schema is in Oracle. Now runtime environment. Select your laptop. This is your runtime environment. What is runtime environment? I'll tell later. What is runtime environment? I'll tell later. Next. So this is as usual username. Where you will get the username? Where you will get this username? From where you will get this username? Go to Oracle. Right click on your schema. Properties. These are all you know already. So this is your username. Take this username and paste here. Password is admin. While you are creating the schema, whatever the password you given. Host name, this is the one, local host. Service name, this is the one, XC. And code page. Code page you should use UTF-8. Code page you should use the second one, UTF-8. What is code page? We'll see later. So these are the things you need to do it. What and all you need to give? Runtime environment, username, password, host name, port name, service name XC. Okay, and code page, then test connection. When you test the connection, it should give connection successful. Is it given the test connection successful? Is it given the test connection successful? Then save it. Save. When you save, a connection is created. See, is it created the connection? CONN OTSRC1. When you click on it, you can see all the details. When you click on it, you can see all the details of the connection. Or you can edit on it also. You can edit these connections. You can see. Close it. We created source connection. Create target connection. Similar way. Create new connection. Create new connection. What is the connection name? CONN. CONN. OT. TGT. Dev1. Yes, please. Connection type Oracle. Connection type Oracle. Runtime environment. What is your username? Go to Oracle. OT TGT Dev1. Correct? OT TGT Dev1. Take this. Password. Admin. Host. Same local host. Service name XE. Whatever this we have, that is all. Code page UTF-8. Test connection. Test connection saved. So my source and target connections are created, correct? My source and target connections are created. Yes or no, please? You see, my Oracle source for OT SRC Dev1, my Oracle target for OT GDG Dev1 is created. Done. Now what I have to do? I need to create a mapping now. Same, correct? First, you will create a ODBC connection. You will create a ODBC's target connection. So in Informatica, we came to administrator. We checked the services under runtime environment and created two connections. Now go to data integration. In data integration, we have new, home, explore, bundles, my jobs, import and export. In the data integration, we have how to go to data integration. Once you log in, you need to right click data integration and open link in new tab. So this will open. Here if you see, we have new. When you click on new, some new assets will open. And home, explore, bundle, my jobs, my import, export. Come to home. When you come to home, here we have a home button. Here this is my organization name, Raj Informatica. This is your username, profile settings, your name, your profile, your Gmail ID, your profile settings, logout, then your runtime, your secure agent name, and what are the connections we have, how many projects we have, how many assets we have, create any mapping, task flow, all this. First, we need to create a project. What we need to do? First, we need to create a project. How to create a project? Come to data integration, home, create project. Click on create project. When you click on create project, are you seeing new project? Are you seeing new project, please? Yes, guys, please respond. Are you seeing new project? Click on new project. And name of the project is Batch-02. IDMC. I'll give the name as IDMC Batch-02. IDMC Batch-02. My name of the project is IDMC Batch-02. Is the project is created? IDMC Batch-02 created? Yes. Open, click on this. When you click on this, you can create a folder here. I am under all projects, IDMC Batch-02. Create a new folder. Under the new folder, give a name. What is that? Morning batch. Morning batch. I'm just giving. I'm already in Batch-02. I am giving morning batch. Morning underscore batch. Yes, please. A folder is created. So I created a project and a folder. If you go to home, here if you see, if you go to home, you will see like this. Go to explore. If you go to explore, click on all projects. See, we have a project called IDMC. Default is automatically come. Auto-generated default project. Under IDMC Batch-02, I have manning batch. So now where are you? I'm in all project. I'm in explore. All projects. IDMC Batch-02 project. Morning batch folder. Clear? First, you need to create a mapping. What you need to do? You need to create a mapping. I will show you a simple mapping today. Just understand. First, I will go to new mapping. Go to new. So meanwhile, I'll start my Informatica services. I'll show you there also. Just wait. Powercenter also I'll start. Just wait. Meanwhile, while I do it, it will start anyways. Yeah. So what you do? Go to new. Go to plus new. Here we have tasks, mappings, maplets, task flows, components. There are many. So what you do? Go to new, click on mappings, create. Click on mappings, create. When you click on create, a new mapping will automatically create. I'm just clicking on create. Sometimes it will not work. See, when I click on create also, it is not working, correct? So what to do? Refresh it. At the time, refresh it. If something is not working in IICS, you have to refresh it. Understood? If something is not working in IDMC or IICS, you have to refresh the page or close the page and re-log in again. If you are not getting anything, click on plus. When you click on plus, see now. Under the tasks, we have getting mapping task, synchronization task, replication task. Click on mapping. We got mapping, integration, cleansing, warehouses, maplets, task flows, components. Now come to mappings. First, create a mapping. What is that? Create a mapping. This mapping can then be used as one of 4 mapping tasks. You'll see that. Create. When I create a mapping is automatically created, correct? Did I drag any source? Like in Powercenter? Like in Powercenter, did I drag any source? No. Did I drag any target? No. You no need to import the source and target here. Just you have to go to administrator and you need to create the connections. Once you create, you need to go to plus new. A new mapping is created. Now, see, please try to understand this. In Powercenter, we have the window to minimize. Here, if you minimize, it will minimize. But that is not what I wanted. What I wanted, actually what I wanted is, see, this left side window is called a toolbar. This is transformation palette. This is called mapping canvas. This is called mapping canvas. This is called a transformation palette. This is called the properties window. We have 3 windows here. What are the windows? Number 1, transformation palette. This is mapping canvas. This is properties. Now what I do? Click on this. See now, when I click on empty spaces, a blue border is showing for the mapping. A blue border is showing. And now you can drag up. See, you can drag up like this. Now it is showing home mapping 1, location under IDMC batch to project Mornig batch. You can rename the mapping. Rename the mapping. How? M underscore target table name. Same here also. M underscore target table name. Click on here. Okay, when you click on this, this will change. See please. Or save it. When you save, the mapping name is changed. M underscore digit location name. It's showing the left side. A mapping is created. The name is changed. But still that is invalid. Now select source. When you select source, the blue border is available for source. Is the blue border available for source? In the source, we have properties, preview. There are 2 things. Properties, preview. Under properties, we have general, source, fields. We have general, source, and fields. Like this we have. And also, here there are three buttons. This is minimize. This is restore. This is maximize. So see, at starting, IICS will be little confusing only. After completion of 5 mappings, IICS will be dead easy. Till then, IICS will be little confusing. The U and I, user interface will be confusing in IICS till 5 sessions. Once 5 sessions are completed, IICS is dead easy, I am saying. I can guarantee you that I will make sure that IICS is very easy for you. Understood? I will make IICS more easier than Powercenter. Okay? Yes, please. So what I will do now? First, I created a mapping. Once I create the mapping, what I have done? Okay. Once I create the mapping, what I have done? I selected just source and you can maximize. So you need to give the source properties. If you want, you can minimize and you can see this window will maximize. You can directly do like this. Okay. Or drag here like maximize it. Now you need to select your source. Name is like source only. Come to source. When you come to source, it is asking connection name, source type, correct? Is it asking connection name, source type? Yes, please. Quickly, please. Let us finish this. Connection. Now come to connection. Whatever the connections I have created here, the same connections is showing here. OT SRC day 1, OT DG day 1. Select that. Select this OT SRC day 1. Now, source type. Source type, there are 4 things. Single object, multiple objects, query, parameter. What are these? We'll see later. Single object, multiple objects, query, parameter. We'll see first. By default, single object, let it be. We'll see later all those things. Now, object, select. Click on select. When you click on select, whatever the tables available in my source schema, all the tables will show here. See, is showing all the tables here from activity log to warehouses. It is showing all. So which is our source schema? Which is our source table? Locations. So it will show in alphabetical order. Select locations. Just locations. Or you can search here locations. Search. Then it will show all locations table. Select locations. Click on OK. So my locations is selected. Here we have query options. We have advanced. All those things we'll see later. As of now, I just selected locations. Correct? And now I came to general. Source name is same, source only. Here I selected source. I selected source connection, source type, source object. I selected. Then coming to fields. Whatever the fields available in table. So what are the fields in this table? What are the fields available in this table? DSC locations, correct? If you see DSC locations, we have location ID, address, postal code, city, state, country ID. All those things it is showing, correct? Yes, please. This is general, source, fields. Now come to preview. You can preview the data. I'll tell later. Preview, I'll tell later. Now minimize the window or restore the window. Restore. So click on source, come to properties. What is my source name? Locations, correct? My source name is locations. So select the general and here give source name as locations. So this will change now. It will change. If you give source also, that's not a problem. But to visible here, internally the source table name is location only. But to view, I just renamed as location. So my source configuration is done, correct? Is my source configuration is done? Yes, please. Now come to target. Same in target. Maximize it. We have general, incoming fields, targets, target fields, field mapping. Okay, now what you have to do? General is target. Now come to target first. Come to target. Select the target connection. Select the target connection. Target type, let it be single object. Select that target type single object. Select. Here existing, it is already in that whatever my target schema tables, all it will show here. My target table name is TGT location div, correct? My target table name is TGT location div. So I selected my TGT location div. Whatever the fields are available here under the target. I'll go to general, I'll rename it TGT location div. Save. So my source and target properties are done, correct? Restore it. My source name is locations. My target name is TGT location div. When you click on white space, it will show the mapping name. The border, you see the border piece. The border is blue border. For the mapping name is MTGT location div. Under the IDMC Batch-02 project, under Morning Batch folder, select the source. Now the blue border is for source. My source name is locations. Under the schema OTSRC1, these are the fields. Select the target border. Under the target, we have our target name is TGT location div, and these are the fields. So this is my mapping. If you want to do in Powercenter, what you do? In Powercenter, we'll do like this, correct? In Powercenter, you will do like this. So what you do in Powercenter? Open Batch-20 Mornig. Whatever. Okay, we'll import agents. We'll import agents table. We'll import the target agents TGT div. Now we'll create a mapping, correct? M_ TGT location div, whatever. Now what we do? We will drag the source, location source first, correct? We will drag locations, correct? And then we will drag TGT location div. Yes, please. We will drag TGT location div. That is what I have done till now. That is what I have done till now. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Understanding? You have to save. If you save, if network is disconnected, that's not a problem. But you have to save in between. Now, what we need to do? We need to filter, correct? We need to create a filter. So what we'll do in Powercenter? In Powercenter, we'll take filter. We'll drag it to here. But here there is no drag and drop. There is no mapping connections here. Here there are connections like this, correct? Like this we have connections. But here there are no connections. There is a single connection. There is no source qualifier in IICS. In IICS, there is no source qualifier, please. Understood? Source and source qualifier, both are source only. This is source transformation. This is target transformation. In IICS, source and source qualifier both calling as source transformation, target transformation. Now I need to use a filter. How to use a filter? So either you when you come here, there is some 3 dots. Either you take filter here, or what you can do, or come to the left, drag the filter here in between. Understood? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? So now please try to understand. First time it will be tricky only. Understanding is very important. Now, see, in filter, the columns are coming from source to filter, correct? The columns will come from source to filter, yes or no? When you click on filter, you can rename the filter, FIL location something. You can rename the filter in general. Select the filter and you can rename the filter. Now come to incoming fields. To the filter, what are incoming fields? To the filter, what are incoming fields? These are all incoming fields for filter, correct? Whatever coming from source, those are all incoming fields for filter. See, from locations, all incoming fields has come to locations. Now, when you connect to target, when you select to target, what are the incoming fields? Whatever they're in filter, all those, whatever they're in source, all by default come to filter, all by default come to locations. You don't need to connect separately. Yes, please. Yes, guys. So it will take whatever the order it has. It will check some default order. It will take some default order. Based on the alphabetical order it will take. Based on the alphabetical order of the column names it will take. That is why ACCLPS, alphabetical order it will take. Understood? So what we have done? We have selected source. We have selected target. and I drag it filter, save it. Now we need to give the condition, correct? We need to give the filter condition, yes or no? How to give the filter condition Powercenter? So you will connect it, double click on Powercenter, double click on it. Here, what you do, what I want, location ID. So in the mapping document, what I have, location ID is greater than 5, location ID is less than 10. So location ID is greater than 5, and I'll write like this, correct? And location ID less than 10. Same way, I can write in IICS also, IDMC also. How? Click on filter, come to filter. Now filter condition, simple advanced. You can click on plus and you can select here. Better instead of simple, go to advanced. Go to advanced, define filter condition. Here you write location ID greater than 5 and location ID less than 10. Validate. Yes, please. That's it. Click on OK and save. Yes, guys. So till now, what we have done? We have completed till here. We have completed till here. What? We created a mapping. What we have done? We created a mapping. Advanced, you can easily do it. Then simple, go to advanced, it is better. It is easy to do it in advanced. So I selected a source and I selected a target. I created a mapping, source to target by default come. Then I dragged the filter. Then I given the filter condition. Now, after giving the filter condition, you need to connect it to target, correct? Here in Powercenter, you will connect like this. But in IICS, how to do this? From filter to target, how to connect? It is already connected, but you need to do the field mapping. This is called field mapping. Location ID to location ID, address to address. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Yes, please. So how to do the field mapping in IICS? Select the target. Come to field mapping. Select the target. Come to field mapping. Maximize it. Come to field mapping. Maximize it. Now you can drag here. See, this is your source. This is your target. For example, this is your source. This is your target. You need to drag it like this. Location ID, address, postal code, city, state, country ID. You can do like this. Or you can clear all. I'll just clear all. There is one option called smart map. Are you seeing smart map? Here you select smart map. And just when you select smart map, it has come. Data types, we'll see about data types, we'll see later. Data types under we'll see later. So what you have to do? It was like this. So without mapping the fields, this will be invalid. What you have to do? Come to field mapping. Come to field mapping. Here you click on smart map. When you click on smart map, automatically it has come, correct? You don't need to drag it. Save. Now your mapping become invalid. Now your mapping become valid. See, is it validated? Restore it. Is the mapping is valid? Is the mapping is valid? Yes, please. So today is the first session. Try to create it. Now my mapping is completed. In Informatica Powercenter, source to filter field mapping automatically come. You don't need to do it. Only the last one. Suppose only filter to here there is no field mapping. There is no field mapping for filter. Yes, please. There is no field mapping for filter. Only for target there is a field mapping. Yes, please. So save it. Now actually, when you compare IICS and Powercenter, suppose this is Powercenter, this is IICS or IDMC. First, what you will do, you will create a mapping, correct? In IICS, you will create a mapping. In Powercenter, you will create a mapping. Same in IICS also, you will create a mapping. After creating a mapping in Powercenter, what you will do? After creating a mapping in Powercenter, what you will do? Session. But here we have mapping task. We will call mapping in IICS mapping only. Session we will call it as mapping configuration task or mapping task. Session we will call in IICS as mapping configuration task. Here we will call it as a session task. We will call it session task. But here we will call it as mapping configuration task or MCT. And here we will call it as workflow. Here we will call it as task flow. These are the terminologies. These are the terminologies between Powercenter and IICS. In Powercenter, we will call it as mapping. In IICS, we will call it as mapping. In Powercenter, we will call it as session task. In IDMC, we will call it as mapping configuration task. In Powercenter, we will call it as workflow. In IDMC, we will call it as task flow. So we completed mapping, correct? Did we complete mapping? So same, copy the mapping name, create a task, mapping configuration task. How to create? Go to new, tasks, go to new tasks, mapping task. Are you seeing mapping task here? Go to new task, mapping task, create. Now it is asking mapping task name. The naming convention is MCT underscore mapping name. MCT underscore mapping name is the mapping configuration task name. MCT underscore mapping name. Runtime environment is a secure agent name. Mapping, you select whatever the mapping I created, it will show here. Same like Powercenter. Click on select. Okay, it will show the mapping. It will show the MCT means mapping task, means session. MCT means mapping configuration task, means mapping task, means session. Session in Powercenter is called MCT in IICS or IDMC. Are you clear? Understood, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Click on next. Click on next. Here, no need to touch anything. Click on finish. All those things I'll tell later. Click on finish. Now, a mapping configuration task is created, correct? Now, can you run a session in Powercenter? Can you run directly a session in Powercenter without workflow? Without workflow, can you run a session? No. Cannot run. But in IICS, you can run. In IICS, without a task flow, you can run mapping also you can run. Directly mapping also you can run. Directly mapping configuration task also you can run. You can run mapping configuration task also. But normally we'll create a mapping configuration task. So we will run the mapping configuration task. Okay. What we will do? So we created MCT. So this is mapping. What is use of task flow? We'll see later. We'll see later about the task flow. So this is mapping. This is mapping configuration task. Okay. This is mapping. This is session task. Are you seeing run here? Are you seeing run, please? Are you seeing run? Click on run. When you click on run, selected MCT underscore M underscore TG location to verify my jobs. Either you go to monitor, come to all jobs. Now, this job is running. See, please. MCT MTG location. This I ran yesterday. Yesterday I ran this. But today I am running this mapping. Now this is in running status. Rows processed are in running status. All jobs. You can refresh it. When you refresh, it got success. 4 rows processed. Click on this MCT. When you click on it, there are 23 record success rows. Target success rows 4. Go to target uncheck. Go to target uncheck. Is the 4 records sorted? Location is greater than 5 and less than 10. Location is greater than 5 and less than 10. So this is how. So administrator is used to create the connections. Data integration is used to create the mapping and mapping task. Monitor to monitor the jobs. Monitor to monitor the jobs. Understood? But IICS is very easy if you know Powercenter. If you know Powercenter, how to check the log? You can download the log here. Are you seeing download log? Click the download log. It will download in your system. When you click on it, it will download in your system under downloads. Okay. So open this and see the log. This is the log. Understood, please? Are you clear? So this is about our IICS first session. Truncate, load, everything is there. All the options are there. I'll tell you step by step. I'll tell you first step by step. But IICS is very easy. IICS is very easy. Without Powercenter required, not required. To work with IICS, Powercenter services are not required. Task flow as of now not required. Later we'll use it. Task flow as of now not required. Later we'll use it. As of first 3 days it will be difficult for sure. After 3 days of practice, IICS is dead easy. I'm saying, I'm promising you that I will make you IICS easy. No need to worry. First 5 days, it will be clumsy. While doing, it will be easy for you. I'm there for you, don't worry. Yes, please. So did you understand the today's concept? Did you understand the today's concept? Yes, please. Am I going fast, guys? Am I going fast? If you are my student, if you are my student, it will be easy for you. Maybe outside people, it will be little fast you may feel, but I'll go slow, don't worry. I will go very slow. No need to worry. Yes, please. I'll go very slow. You no need to worry. Yes, please. Okay. I'll go very slow. You no need to worry, please. So please go through my video. Maybe you joined late. Why to go to cloud than PC? Go through my video. Go through my video. You will get it. Why we need to use Powercenter than IICS. You no need to worry. Okay. So I will go very slow. Today is the first session. Okay. So, but it's very easy. You no need to worry. It is very easy. Okay. If you want, you can join evening also. This session is recorded. If you want, you can join evening also. Yes, please, today only. But from next session onwards, either morning or evening, one session you can join. So this session I'll upload in the video. So is my session is understanding, guys? Is my session is understandable? Did you understand clearly? Did you understand clearly, please? You no need to worry. I'll make sure that I'll go slow. I'll go very slow. So as today is the first session, maybe if you told if you could have told at starting only, I could have went slow, but still no problem. If you want, you can join evening also. I'll tell one more time. Okay, by 7:30 you can join. Yes, please. Yeah. So go through my session. I'll upload this in YouTube. Yes, please. How to register second video? It is there in my YouTube channel. It's there in my YouTube channel. Go to Raj Informatica YouTube. Raj Informatica YouTube channel. You can Google search in this. So this is my YouTube channel. Okay. So in this, I have the how to re-register. There is one video. Re-register. There is one video. If you get this kind of error, you can go through this Java application error. Okay. There is one. See this one. Re-registering existing Informatica Cloud Service Agent to new IICS. This you can watch. I have already shown. Okay. Yes, please. So I will send the installation links. So next session is on Monday. By Monday, what you need to install? By Monday, what you need to install? You need to install at least Oracle and IICS. Both you need to install. IICS Secure Agent. You need to install. If you have time, okay, you can install SQL Server. I'll give video. SQL Server also you can install. We will use Target as SQL Server. If you have time, install SQL Server also. I'll give a video how to download and install. Yes, please. If you already done, no need to. If you already having Oracle, directly use IICS. Directly use IICS Secure Agent. Directly download it. If you don't have Oracle, install Oracle, then IICS Secure Agent. Then install SQL Server by Monday. Next session is on Monday. Clear, guys? So is my session is understandable? There is no session on tomorrow. Next session is on Monday. Next session is on Monday. See, whoever paid full fee, we will add you in WhatsApp group. You will get daily material. You will get first 10 session video recordings. Whoever paid full fee, only they, we will add in the WhatsApp group. We will send the daily material. You will get the first 10 session recording. So please pay the full fee as soon as possible. If you are paid partially, once you pay the full fee, you can get the material. Are you clear, please? Understood? Everyone? Are you clear? Clear about it, please? So within 1 hour, so I will send you step by step also. There is today, you no need to worry about it. Today you just watch in YouTube. From Monday we'll use Extract browser. I'll send step by step. Please watch my group. Please watch the WhatsApp group. Please always check the WhatsApp group. I'm sending this thing. So, is my session is understandable, guys? Is my session is understandable? Yes? Okay. See you on Monday then. See you on Monday then. Okay, guys. Thank you all. Thanks for joining my first session. Thank you all. Thanks for joining my first session. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment on my videos if you like it. Thank you all. Thank you, guys.